Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So in the previous video, we were able to look at these examples from number 1 to 3. So in this video, we'll be solving from number 4 to 6, right? So number 4 question says, if cos x equal to root a over b, find cosec x, right? Now, number 4. So first of all, let's write down this acronym, SOCATUA, because we'll be making use of this, right? Cos x is equal to root a over b, and this is equal to root a over root b. From your law of indices, this is equal to this, right? And from this acronym, we say that cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Is that clear? Now, from this right angle triangle, that means this is the angle, right? Angle x. Your adjacent is here, right? And adjacent here will be what? Root a. Hypotenuse here will be what? Root b. Hence, what's our opposite? Our opposite is unknown. We solve using Pythagoras theory, right? Which says that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Is that clear? Good. Now we are looking for what? The opposite. You make the opposite the subject of the formula. From here you now have opposite square equal to hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. From here, what's our hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is what? This. You now have root b square minus adjacent is what? This. Root a square. Right? This is equal to opposite square equal to b minus a, right? Because the square root of any number raised to power 2 is that number. The square root of b raised to power 2 is b. The square root of a raised to power 2 is a, right? That means you have a, b minus a, right? Now, taking the square root of both sides, if you take the square root of both sides, you now have opposite equal to square root of b minus a. Hence, this opposite here is square root of what? B minus a, right? So you are asked to find the cosec x. What is cosec? Cosec x is equal to what? 1 over sine x, right? 1 over sine x, which is equal to what? 1 over, what's our sine x? Sine x from the SOCATUA is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse, right? This is now equal to what? This one will come to this side, because if this should divide this and you do your solving, you get what? Hypotenuse over opposite. Is that clear? And from this, what is our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is root b. Root b. What's our opposite? Our opposite is what? Root b minus a. This is your cosec x. This is also equal to, we can say that your cosec x is equal to this, which is root b over root b minus a, or root b over b minus a. It's still the same thing. As simple as that. So question number 5. From this, sine theta plus alpha, the expansion is equal to sine theta cos alpha plus cos theta sine alpha. right? Our sine theta plus alpha is equal to, what's our sine theta? 3/5. Our cos alpha is also 3/5 plus cos theta sine alpha, which is unknown. Is that clear? This is 3, please. So from this, using this acronym, so if you have sine theta equal to 3/5, this is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. And this is equal to, from this angle, this is the what? The theta. Right? So what is our opposite? Our opposite here is 3. Our hypotenuse is 5. Right? And this is what? Adjacent, which is unknown. Right? So to get this adjacent, you have a square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Right? You make adjacent the subject of the formula. We have adjacent square equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite square, which is equal to, what's our hypotenuse? 5 square minus opposite 3 square. This is 25 minus 9. It gives you what? 16. Right? And taking the square root of both sides, you now have that A is equal to 4. Right? A is equal to 4. That means that our adjacent is what? Is equal to 4. Right? Now this is our sine theta. Our cos theta will now be equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Where is our adjacent? 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Right? So this is our cos theta. This is our sine theta. We already have cos alpha. We need to get sine alpha. Right? From this, by symmetry, if you have that, from this you have that our sine theta is 3/5. Now our cos theta is 4/5. By symmetry, if cos theta is 3/5, cos alpha is 3/5, that means sine alpha will be what? 4/5 also. Sine alpha will be what? 4/5. Is that clear? Hence, from this, we have that our sine theta plus alpha is equal to 3/5 times 3/5 plus 4/5 times 4/5. Right? This is now equal to, this time this will give you what? This time this will give you 9/25 plus 16 over what? 25. Hence, if you find the LCM, you now have 25. 9 plus 16, right? Equal to 25/25, which is equal to 1. Hence, sine theta plus alpha is equal to 1. As simple as that. Then the next question, question number 6. Express 1/2 minus tan 60 degrees in short form. Please solve this question and drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.